What's up, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? And today we are back with another Flood Escape 2 video. And today we are back. What was that? Anyways, we are back in Flood Escape 2, episode 14. Yeah, I think it's 14. Yeah, it's 14. So, we're just gonna wait. But we could just wait a second, like this. That's better. Alright, do this map. Alright, I know how. Okay, I'm going inside. Okay. What are you even doing? Never mind. I get out of here before this turns into acid. Okay. Just go, guys. I'll catch up. Eh. Whoa, that was probably a close one. That guy fell. I I don't think so. Dang it. What a waste of money. Whatever, this thing is fun. Ah, there we go. Yeah, everyone. There we go. I can defeat stuff. Ooh, I'm gonna wait until three of them get in. Go in there. No, go away. There. Don't bother me ever again. Come on, what's taking the other player so long? Get in. Get in. Oh, okay. You already got out. Hey. Honor! Yes! Alright. Yeah, go get it. Okay. Yeah. Okay. No. Haha, you fail. Come on, you know the door was gonna open anyway by that second. Never mind. Come on. I don't think you're gonna. Alright. Gently. Slowly. Okay. Yeah. I can get out of here. Back to the beginning. Yeah. Alright. Wait. Never mind. Yes, boost up. Please, 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 please. Okay. Uh-oh. This flood has no idea what I'll be doing this position. Yes, 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 yes. We'll get harder levels. Right? Oof. Oh, yes. Okay. Alright, everyone. I know the way how to do it. What? Aw, man. Oh well. Dang it. Dang it, dang it, dang it. Oh, yes. Yes. Just. I really want you to boost. Insane. No, 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 no. Oh, yes. Another one. It, no. No. Dang it. Oh, yeah. This is too much. I'll get even more hard levels. What the fuck? Oh, come on, every time. Come on, I want to do this one. That's fine, I'll do another one. Guys better not mess this up this time. Oh no, go on, mommy. I'll be right back. Alright. No, too hard. Yes. Okay, we are gonna win this. What? Yeah. Yes. How many times are you gonna level up? I have no idea. Woo! Crazy mode. Any second. Yay. Two. What? There we go. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh. I'll be right back. Alright. Blue moon. My only weakness. Alright, let's see. Come on, come on, come on. Oh. Come on, come on, come on. No! 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 Dang it. Dang it, dang it, dang it. Whatever, we all died anyway. Oh, but there's only one player left. Wait a second, how many players are in this game? Alright, let's see if we can survive the last one, and I'll be done for today, everyone. Hi, everyone. Alright, everyone. Alright, everyone, that's it for this video, and I hope you guys subscribe, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you next time.